online biology tutorials, your guide to clear and confident science pronunciation. From anatomy to bioinformatics, we break down complex biology terms for learners worldwide.
Basal.
Let's make scientific language simple, accurate, and unforgettable. The word for today is basal ganglia. Basal ganglia. Basal ganglia helps in the control, movement, and coordination. So, that was the correct pronunciation of this word. If you ever find any word tricky to pronounce, just drop it in the comment section and I will be happy to help you out. Here is the term chosen for the upcoming video. Some more videos to help you with more precise science pronunciation.